Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Throughout the years, we've shared some of our favorites with you. And just when I thought David made me try all of his, he throws me another one. There's a dish that a popular Canadian pizza chain used to serve, and for some strange reason, we moved it from the menu. After talking about it, we decided to duplicate it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make our Sombrero Pizza. I honestly don't understand why this pizza is on a menu anymore. It's absolutely delicious. With a great combination of ingredients, this pizza is so original and incredibly flavorful. It's definitely one you have to make at home. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it's hot, we'll add onions and jalapeno peppers. We'll saute the ingredients for just a couple minutes. To this, we'll add ground beef, and we'll break down the meat a little before seasoning with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll cook the meat halfway, breaking it down into small pieces as we go. So when the meat is halfway done, we'll season with 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Now, if you want to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add oregano, then ground cumin. I love that spice. And some red pepper flakes. We'll combine the ingredients and cook until the meat is no longer pink. When this is done, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. We'll then remove from the heat and set aside. Now, here's the refried beans, and we'll add to it some chunky salsa. We'll stir those two together and then add the remaining 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. We'll blend it well with the other ingredients and set aside for now. Before we start assembling the pizza, today I'm using my popular easy cheesy herb pizza dough. Sometimes though I like to change and use my rustic Italian pizza dough. Both recipes are on the website, so have a look. It's free. Alright, let's start. Just to let you know, this recipe is for 2 pies. So we'll divide half of the refried bean mixture and spread it evenly, leaving about ½ inch around the edge. Then we'll use half of our beef mixture for pizza and distribute it evenly. Now, we'll do the same with the cheese. We'll use 3/4 cup of white cheddar for pizza, followed by 3/4 cup of sharp yellow cheddar cheese. Next, we'll transfer the pie to a 500-degree preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted. We'll remove from the heat and then add the toppings. So we'll go ahead and evenly spread on 1 cup of chopped iceberg lettuce per pizza, followed by diced Roma tomatoes, then a 1/4 cup of sharp white cheddar cheese, and a 1/4 cup of sharp yellow cheddar cheese. We'll also top it with fresh chopped cilantro. Now, just like the cherry on top of the sundae, we'll drizzle on some ranch dressing. And no, this is not my hand, it belongs to my husband, David. Voila, we're done. And my friends, this is our Sombrero Pizza. This beautiful pie is unbelievably flavorful. It's pretty similar to a soft taco, but in a pizza form. I'm telling you, you'll be pleasantly surprised with this delicious and colorful pie. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!